Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a napkin into a fan. Now first we're going to fold each of these edges into the center. Next we're going to make accordion pleats that run all the way up to about halfway. And I'm going to make really small pleats. I'm going to fold it up about this much. And then you'll mountain fold right along that edge. And then fold it up again, just lining the edges up right here. And then do that a few more times. Now I like these smaller pleats. You can do bigger pleats if you'd like. And test them both out and see which one you prefer. Then fold it up to about there. Next we're going to bring this edge down. We're going to fold it to here, but tuck it underneath all of these pleats. Just like that. Next we'll turn the whole thing over and then fold it in half. Next we'll take all of these edges and we're going to fold them down. And these edges are going to tuck inside of these pleats. Just inside the one that's closest to it. And then close it up. Now that should be able to stand. And we are all done. Now I do have a playlist full of napkin folding tutorials that you can check out. I'll link to that right here and in the description. But if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.